I'm also excited about this because it's been making me angry for a little while now. AUS200. I'm going to delete all these because I do think this is going to tank. I'm going to delete this zone. Actually, no. I'm going to leave this big zone here. This is the big monthly zone. You can see prices never really closed above this. And this current month, July, is closing pretty bullish. So there might be enough momentum to push up into this zone here. But you can see these candles are dying off. But again, it did this before. So like eventually this is going to tank. But for whatever reason, it's just trickling up. I'm going to delete all these previous stuff. So, and then again, it's above it is above the moving average, but I'm still looking to short this. I just have a feeling. We're gonna find a nice whole level. 74.50 seems very reasonable. Yeah, we'll put it right here. Drop this down a little bit. Let's see what the monthly range is. About 450, give or take, 500. Yeah, so we'll shoot for right for 7,000. This is kind of your monthly range. You can see these last couple daily candles, these last three, really struggling, kind of creating this zone here. So I'm going to move this up here, put that there, find our, where's September, just to make sure, just highlight it here. So this is our monthly trade here. Might be something like this. I would wait for more confirmation, because again, very bullish still. This has, anytime I thought it was going to sell here, like there's a bunch of times I thought it would sell off and it didn't. So I'm definitely not rushing anything with this. Going to target this monthly range, but wait for price to break something. So we can put this here, break this area here. I'm actually going to set an alert. I need to see some downward momentum before entering any short, because just basing it on the fact that candles are wicking here and there's resistance, so the fact that price is resisting this zone is not enough for me to enter a short position yet, because I've been screwed around so many times here on these previous wicking out candles. So to me, yeah, just with this pair, just previously, you have to wait for more confirmation. It's always a good thing to wait for more confirmation. You'll never be upset. You may miss a trade, but you'll never lose money if you just wait for more confirmation. So you want price to break this zone. I set an alert here at the bottom of this zone, and then I would like to see price, it would be nice to see price cross over this 4-hour moving average first, but that might not happen. So I'm going to set another alert for price to cross over this 1-hour moving average, because that would tell me that it is losing momentum, and you can see it kind of here taking shape. So price came up, comes down, comes back up, lower high, comes down. Now it's done a higher low, but it looks like it's losing momentum here. So if this doesn't break above this, then that would show that it's still creating lower highs. You can see it's catching up to this moving average. So once this moving average, once the price crosses over this moving average, that kind of determines that the momentum is shifting. Again, that might not be enough confirmation at the time. So I want price to break this zone, this bottom zone here, and then we would look for, entering our short position for the month, and then that would be that. So that's AUS200. That's our setup for next month.